Assalamu alaikum. You are listening to Radio Sada, Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred 2 Kashmiri youth during a cordon and search operation in Varipora area of Sopore town today. The bodies of the youth were recovered from the debris of the 2 residential houses destroyed by Indian troops with chemical explosive material. The occupation authority suspended internet services in Sopore to prevent people from sharing information about the prevailing situation in the town. Meanwhile, the occupation authorities yet again did not allow Jummah congregational prayers in main worship places in the territory, including Srinagar's historical Jamia Masjid and Hazrat Bal Shrine. Hurriyat leader Javed Ahmed Mir, on his visit to the shrine of Hazrat Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani in Srinagar today, along with many devotees, was stopped and not allowed to enter the shrine to offer Jummah prayers. Javed Ahmed Mir, talking to media, said Kashmir dispute is one of the oldest issues in the United Nations agenda, and it is the responsibility of the world body to settle it according to its relevant resolutions. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, expressed concern over the genocide of Kashmiris by the Indian troops during so-called cordon and search operations, even on the auspicious occasion of Eid al-Adha celebrations. He paid glowing tributes to the youth martyred in Sopore and other areas. The spokesman deplored that besides killing innocent people, the troops were inflicting untold atrocities on the local population during the military operations. He sought early intervention by the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres to help settle the lingering Kashmir dispute in accordance with the aspirations of the Kashmiri people. Meanwhile, an analytical report released by Kashmir Media Service today maintained that Narendra Modi-led Indian government's admission that it ensured Pakistan remained on the grey list of the Financial Action Task Force has exposed its double-faced role in the region. It said that India's admission on FATF politicization once again vindicated Pakistan's stance that India is using global forums for its nefarious political designs against Pakistan. The report pointed out that manipulating an important technical forum for achieving narrow political designs is disgraceful but not surprising for Modi-led fascist Indian government. It said that FATF must take serious notice of the Indian Foreign Minister SHJ&K's statement, as his admission has raised serious questions on the integrity of the forum. According to leaked records regarding freshly surfaced sensational Pegasus scandal, more than 25 people from Kashmir Valley, including politicians from both pro-India and pro-freedom camps, as well as human rights activists, journalists and businessmen, were selected as potential targets of intrusive surveillance between 2017 and mid-2019 by an unidentified government agency that is also believed to be a client of the Israeli company NSO Group. Indian opposition leader Rahul Gandhi, terming the use of Pegasus as treason, has demanded resignation of the Home Minister Amit Shah and Supreme Court probe against Modi. He said Pegasus is classified by the Israeli state as a weapon, and that weapon is supposed to be used against the terrorists. But Narendra Modi and Amit Shah have used this weapon against the Indian state and its institutions. Meanwhile, Muhammad Amir, once a Hindu caste sevak, namely Balbir Singh, and also a Sangh Parivar leader who participated in the demolition of Babri Masjid, died under mysterious circumstances at his residence in the Indian city of Hyderabad. After converting to Islam, Muhammad Amir pledged to protect mosques and even helped construct 91 mosques. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.